Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It's Friday, September the 19th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the local market is set to open strongly with ASX futures up almost 0.5%. Global equity markets have risen to new record highs, buoyed by the Federal Reserve's interest rate cut. Wall Street's main indices posting new record closing highs a day after the Fed resumed its cutting cycle, with investors encouraged by the prospects of at least two more cuts to come. The small cap Russell 2000 index notching its first record high close since last November. Well, the market gains were again led by the mega-cap tech stocks, with Nvidia recovering losses from the previous session when a report indicated that Chinese tech firms might stop buying its chips. Intel notched its biggest daily gain since 1987, jumping some 23% after Nvidia said it would invest $5 billion in the struggling US chipmaker. Pure Advanced Micro Devices slipped. CrowdStrike shares surged after at least 9 brokerages raised their price target on the stock. And FedEx reported a higher quarterly profit but forecast 2026 earnings per share largely below analyst estimates, anticipating a hit from the US decision to end tariff exemptions on low-value direct-to-consumer shipments. Shares, though, did rise 6% in extended trade. Software giant Atlassian has sealed its biggest acquisition, paying $1 billion to buy US software firm DX in a deal it says will help cement it as a leading player in the AI era. Well, the UK has secured record levels of US investment off the back of President Trump's second state visit to the country. The US president has committed more than $200 billion of corporate investment in the UK's technology, finance and energy sectors. Meanwhile, the Bank of England has kept its main interest rate on hold at 4% as expected after August's quarter percentage point cut, and it slowed the pace of its program to run down its government bond stockpile. Whereas Norway's central bank delivered a 25 basis point cut to 4%. In the US, the number of Americans filing new applications for unemployment benefits fell last week, reversing the prior week's jump, but the labour market has softened as both demand for supply of workers has diminished. Well, US Treasury yields advanced, with the US 10-year up more than 3 basis points to 4.1%, the 2-year at 3.57%. And the US dollar index is up around 0.5% on the day, the Aussie dollar having fallen back to 66.1 US cents. And Bitcoin is trading around 117,000 US dollars. Well, oil prices have eased as traders remain concerned about the US economic outlook despite the Fed's rate cut. Brent crude futures falling about 0.8% to $67 a barrel. Copper was off more than 0.5%. Iron ore off a similar margin to 105 US dollars a tonne, and the gold price has fallen amid profit taking, with the spot price at $3,644 an ounce. Well, no local data today, but on the corporate calendar, Myer is due to release its earnings report. That is your day ahead. We'll see you again on Monday.